Welcome to today's updates of the money market funds, and this is as at the mid of September 2024. And in this review, as usual, we will look at both the money market funds in Kenya shillings and the US dollars, and the fixed income funds as well. Anyways, last week we had a heavily red week, and if it's your first time here, red is the code we give companies that declined in their returns ama results compared with the previous week's performance, and gray maintained what they had posted while green gave us an increase in performance. So how will this week look like? Yes, that is what we are going to look at right now. And starting with the United States dollar money market fund, today things look so green with only 2 out of 10 companies recording a slight decrease, as you can see, and that's Nabo and Dry Associates. And for those who have been asking, by the way, why the dollar return is much lower than the Kenyan shillings one, this is because the dollar is not measured against our local inflation, being a foreign currency. It is measured against the USA inflation rate, which is much lower than ours. And again, their macroeconomics sio kama hizi zetu za hapa Kenya. So I will do another video to clarify this further, so isikukule kichwa sana kama hujashika kitu ama hujaelewa. So in today's week, 7.14% is the highest and 4.5% is the lowest. Alafu maybe someone is asking, kwani hauoni NCBA hiyo hapo chini? I do, but wao sio MMF, ni fixed income fund in the United States dollar. And now coming to the fixed income fund category, 6 out of 10 companies registered a slight decline as shown in the reds, and only 3 companies, that is Etica, Cooperative and NCBA, had a slight increase, those unaona in green. And Britam can maintain what they had last week. The leading company will record 16.27%, while the last one ilikuwa na 11.09%, and this is as a result of the bonds returns starting to slow down as well. If you have already observed, both the bonds and the money market funds already zinaanza ku slow down. And just in case you are new to the money market funds, then please note that the rate of return for a long time has always been between 5% to 12%. So what we have been experiencing is one of the highest highs that we have ever seen over the last 20 plus years. And so keep enjoying the opportunity. Kama hujafungua account yet, the comment section in these videos is a good place for you to research and make a choice of the best company that unaweza anza ama open up with. So tuanze ku warm up haraka for next year. Yes, hatutaki kubaki kwa block next year. And last but not least, when it came to the money market funds in the Kenya shillings, the trend kind of slowed down a bit, whereby you can see 14 out of the 25 companies are the only ones that registered a slight drop, while 5 companies zili maintain their results, na hiyo sio kawaida ya zile zina retaining wanga ni moja ama ni mbili, and this probably inaonyesha vile things have started slowing down. So 6 companies zili record a slight increase, and generally on the average there was a slight drop. It is in red, from 15.51% to 15.45%. 18 companies from Orient are still giving us an above 15% return, which is very impressive by the way, and this is the moment to enjoy the huge returns. And considering that inflation pia is also at its lowest ever, that means that the amount of money that we get to keep as growth is also very good returns. The 91-day Treasury bill this week returned 15.71%, ya 182 ika return 16.62, and finally the 364-day bill ili return 16.81. Things are slowing a bit, lakini ziko steady, na economy pia iko at a very good place. So the question is, next week itakuaje? In other news, hii wiki nina post about investing in shares, so kama uko interested, make sure you're watching. Na next week ni about real estate investment trust ama rate, so make sure una follow and you may subscribe, usimiss any of this. Have you watched the video which we spoke about the keeping of your MMF account secure online? Kama bado, please go check it out, already iko live. My name is Otachi and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.